Hello, I'm Mrs. Repasky, and this activity for Chemistry 1 is called Bubble, Bubble, Toil and Trouble. In this activity, I will combine vinegar, which is a clear, colorless, scented solution, with baking soda, which is a solid white powder. First, I will crush the lumps of the baking soda. The pieces of baking soda are getting smaller and is turning into a finer powder. As I'm crushing these, is this a chemical change or a physical change? I have some tap water here, and I'm going to add that to the baking soda. The combination seems to be very milky. I do not notice a change in temperature. They seem to have blended fairly well, but it is milky and not clear. And the baking soda does leave a residue on the side of the beaker. Is the combination of the water with the baking soda result in a chemical change or a physical change? Now I'm going to add the vinegar. As the vinegar is added, please consider what happens and see, is that a chemical change or a physical change that results? Lots of bubbling is happening, and the temperature is a lot colder. A gas is released, so I'm going to check that gas with a burning splint. The burning splint went out. Let's test it again. The burning splint went out. So even though it's not bubbling anymore, the gas is still stuck inside the beaker, and every time I put the burning splint into the beaker, the wooden splint stops burning. Notice that it's very quiet when it stops burning. The fire just quietly goes out. What kind of gas could that be? What colorless gas and odorless gas do you know that extinguishes a flame very quietly? Well, it started bubbling again. The change wasn't over. It is very, very cold. That makes it endothermic. Thank you for watching Bubble, Bubble, Toil and Trouble.